Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to automate a Slack auto reply bot into your thread. So for that I have taken two accounts in my Slack. So this is one of my workspace, and here you can see there is two users, Emon and Aryan. So this is one of my inbox from where like auto reply will be generated, and this is another profile where the Aryan profile is here. So let's give a message. Team. So I have given the message and I can see it is here. So now let's run the automation. And if I go back to the Slack, I will see, hello, how can I assist you today? You can see. Uh, that means the bot has been generated the message and it has been replied. So if I explain how does that happen, then first of all, I have taken the Slack watch public channel message, this, uh, and then connect my Slack account along with I have selected the public channel and set the limit. And then I have to configure the OpenAI who will actually take the message from the Slack. And then I have given a prompt along with a maximum output token and select the model, and then the response what the OpenAI will be generated, I will pass it to the Slack and send as a message. So for that, I have selected the Slack account as well as selected the public channel, and then the output what AI will generate, and in this way, then like total communication workflow has been happened, and you can see the output result.